Wake up with a hot cup of espresso made with the Jura A1 Espresso Machine. This beautiful, quality coffee, espresso, and ristretto maker comes in a piano black color and is designed with sleek, clean lines. The top side has a visible bean container and an intuitive symbol control panel to make your morning shot of espresso simple to make. You'll get a consistently delicious drink with the thermal block heating system with a 15-bar pump. And you can choose between 2 levels of coffee strength. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This machine comes with an Aroma grinder and clearyl blue filter for the high-quality cup of coffee that you expect from Jura. The auto shut-off program is included in the machine for your safety. Whether you crave a shot of ristretto or a cup of coffee, the coffee spout adjusts to your needs from 2.3 to 5.5 inches. For your convenience, the A1 has a self-cleaning option that will remind you after 180 preparations or 80 switch-on rinses when it needs to run so you don't have to worry. 17.05 inches length by 9.05 inches width by 12.075 inches height. With a 37-ounce water capacity, 4.4-ounce bean container, 9-serving ground container. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. One touch. Prepare 3 barista quality specialties including ristretto, espresso, and coffee at the touch of a button, coffee only. Number 2. Perfect espresso. Ultimate coffee quality thanks to Jura's exclusive pulse extraction process. Number 3. Conical burr grinder. Fast and precise Aeromag 3 grinder grinds whole beans to the optimum fineness. Number 4. Jura is always freshly ground, not capsuled, fresh taste with very limited waste. Single-serve machine. Number 5. Capacity, 37-ounce water tank, 4.4-ounce bean container. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.